Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a couple POI movements. First movement I'm going to be teaching you how to do are called Hyperloops, and they're done by doing split time, same direction. I go, it would be clockwise. So, what you're going to do to get it initiated is cross your strings right in the middle about. So depending on what kind of POI you're using is going to change how easy or hard this is. You know, some contact POI have thick strings that aren't so bendable, or you know what I'm saying. But if you spin POI, you know what I'm saying at least. So same time, split time, same direction. Cross your chains or your strings, whatever you want to call them. Cross them and turn 90 degrees. Right? Split time, same direction. Cross my strings and turn. And you kind of just hold it and let it spin out. But I've seen them get it in like a stretchy rotation where it just keeps getting bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller. It's neat. So Hyperloops are very cool. I've seen some people do some neat stuff with them, spinning it around their head. You know, just making an easy trick look really cool by taking it in a different direction. You know, like, so try it. It's fun. It's called a Hyperloop. I'm not the best at them. I actually just learned them a couple days ago. So now I'm going to be showing you the real part of this video. So in my last video I showed you how to do these. If you want to learn them, watch that video. Okay? So a move very similar to that though is going to be done almost in the same way. I call them swimmers because it's like you're swimming. You know, freestyle swim. You know? So, you got to be switching your upper body. So, just like you're swimming, turning your head, right? Well, not really turning your head, but turning your upper body is what it really is. But, you know, I like to say, like, because I used to snowboard and wakeboard, that wherever you're looking, your body kind of follows. For, like, backflips and stuff, you look back, that's how you do a backflip. Forward, that's how you do a front flip. So, same thing with POI. I would imagine you're turning your upper body. It's not the same with POI because you're on the ground, you're not in the air. So gravity is affecting you along with friction from the gravity. So, it doesn't work with POI. So really, what you're doing is you're switching your upper body. See? Now I got my boobs towards you, I got my boobs against you. Towards you, against you. Okay? Feel it? Alright, cool. So, same direction. So, the real trick to this is getting the POI to stall right in the middle. You want it to stall right when it hits that middle point. So, in the middle point I'm meaning like here, you know, right when it gets to there, you want it to kind of stall. But it's all in your arm rotation. So with this motion, the POI are revolving around your hand, right? Just like this. Only you're doing it with both arms, right? Correct? Or you can do it the other way too, you know? You know, with one arm, that's a good start, you know, and maybe try the other arm. You know, you don't got to get the other arm perfect yet because right now you're just learning the motions and how this move is done. Okay, so now that we've practiced with both of our arms in both directions, which I didn't actually practice my back direction, you know, so it's a little different here. This is actually anti-spinning, so it's a little harder. So there's many different directions that you can do this in, is what I'm trying to point out. Is that this isn't just the only move that learning this will get you, because you can reverse them, do the same deal, right? Or, alright guys, it's getting hot out here, so I had to switch my pants. So like I was saying, the POI are revolving around your hands, and your arms are kind of making the POI move. So this isn't very much of a wrist motion like most POI tricks are, because really, I don't have to move my wrists at all. Just my arms doing this windmill pattern is forcing the POI to rotate in either this, I mean, it's not forcing it to, but, because for instance, I could do this and not be forced to do it, but once you get it spinning and you take on that motion, you'll feel your arm taking the POI into its next motion. You'll feel it. And so it is a shoulder workout, kind of. So as I said, the POI are revolving around your hands, and your arms are opposite one another. And you don't have to much move your wrists. It's really more your upper body and your arms moving. So once you get comfortable doing it both ways, you can put it together and do it like this. It looks pretty cool. Like I said, if you can get that stall right at that center point, it's a really cool trick. And this will help you learn all the other movements as well. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.